Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun. Another exclusive set I'm showing you today. Exclusive because this type I haven't shown you earlier with this kind of curves. I'll go in the details a little later. Before that, just a simple question. Whenever you think of a really royal or a very exclusive kind of sofa set or furniture piece, what do you think about? Which place? I think first some comes in mind Italy or Turkey or Egypt, China also. Some people may call Indonesia. But in India also, you can get a really royal kind of set. One I'm showing you here, and more I've shown you earlier also. We have been making and we have been sending out across the globe, and this set is going to Bangalore. Now about the set itself, this is a four-seater, a three-seater with two chairs and two open back settees right in front of this. What is exclusive about this set? First, the design in itself. The kind of curve you see on the handles, the entire rounded kind of set, it has a complete oval type of shape, and this is one of the most difficult things to be done in a sofa set. These curves require master skills. Making a straight sofa, joining one piece there, one here and one that side is quite easy. Carpenters do it every day. But this is the master artisan work. Getting this kind of curve in symmetry to the entire unit requires a lot of skill, years and years of experience. And to mention again, this is handwork. This is the work of artisan. This is not machine made or robotics or CNC. This is all handwork. Even the drawings, the cuttings with smaller machines, then carving the entire thing and getting it to the final output here. The polishing, the quilting, the cushioning, everything requires a lot of time, labor, effort, and most importantly, skill. That kind of skill we do have in India at Aarsun. And give you a little background of Aarsun, we are in business for almost 40 years now. Though Aarsun is a new name relatively, around 10 years back we got this name. But we are in business for 40 years. That's a long time we are doing this. And we have taken our art to across the globe. Most of the countries we have exported already. And 90% of Indian cities we have delivered to, everywhere in India. Northeast or Andaman or Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat, Odisha, everywhere we have delivered. This one is going to Bangalore. Now about this four-seater, out and out this set covers 9 feet of area. That side to this side, 9 feet of area. Front to back 42 inches, 3.5 feet. The back height is 54 inches. These kind of sets requires heavy looking back, a nice big back to give it the royal look that we want in these kind of units. Apart from the heavy legs in the front, the heavy carving on the front, and the same carving is going at the back, on the sides till the back, on both sides. So everything you see is completely carved, and the European style of legs, heavier from the top and thinner at the bottom, is a kind of blend for the entire set. The European kind of concept with heavy carving, the Victorian style, the artisans of India, the quality of Aarsun, and the beauty of it clearly visible. It's a nice spacious unit. The inside area is quite wide. Now if you see here, I'm sitting in a corner and I still have a lot of space at the back. So I can lean back and sit like this, or I can get up and sit like this, and it looks more like a throne, a Maharaja throne. And I'm getting a lot of space to sit comfortably. If I go in a corner, I can sit this way and still I'm getting nice big space and really comfortable. The space is big enough. If I want to lie down, I can lie down for a while. I can take a nap also. Nice, big and spacious, as well as the huge Maharaja set that we love in our furniture. The cushion and the fabric. The cushion we have is 40 density. It's not very hard, not too soft. Issue with the soft fabric, soft cushion is when you have memory foam or very soft cushion, when you sit on it, you tend to get right inside the unit, just like a bean bag. And if you sit on a bean bag, let's say it's a bean bag, I'll go right inside it, and when I have to get up, I'll have to push myself up, and that is a lot of pressure on the back and the knees. So 40 density cushion is good enough for the back, for the sitting. It doesn't go bad very easily. It takes years and years. It lasts years and years, and that's why it's best for our kind of work. And the fabric. This fabric is chosen and sent by the client himself. We haven't put it from our side. He chose something, he liked something, sent it, and we used it. If you want something of your choice and you want it to choose yourself, you can do that. You can select in your place and send it to us. We'll use that. We'll let you know the measurements. The colors, fabrics, sizes, everything is customized to the client's requirement. We do not push anything from our side. We do not say that this is what you have, what we have, and you have to buy it. So everything customized to your choice, to your liking, and then we make it and send it to your place, India or abroad, wherever you want. Now moving on to the three-seater here. The three-seater is out and out 8 feet, rest 42 and 54 inches, 3.5 feet, 4.5 feet back height, and 8 feet area it would cover from left to right. It's a big set again, 1.5 feet bigger than our regular three-seaters. A regular three-seater is around 6.5 feet sitting at the back. This is 8 feet, 1.5 feet bigger. Again, the nice curves, the carving in front, the curve in the middle, the base is going inside, right inside here, and the curves on the sides, both sides. Nice, beautiful, heavy carved unit right in front of you. The chair out and out is 45 inches, close to 4 feet wide. Again, 3.5 feet, and the height is 54. A big chair with the real Maharaja look. I can lean back, I can relax, and again I can sit like this if I want. Here you can see I can sit like this, I can sit like this, getting a lot of space to sit inside the unit. It's a nice big heavy chair, and for bigger living rooms, if you want something exclusive, this can be considered. Another interesting thing is the settee here. It's 4 feet by 3 feet wide, 19 inches height, and it's an open back settee. So you don't have anything at the back. It's a clear view. If I'm sitting here, let's say you have a door on that side and somebody is walking in and you want the entire view to be open. That's a nice concept. It doesn't hide the look of the set. If you have a TV or you have a French window or a garden that side, again, a nice look, nothing is blocked here. And the best part about this is you can sit that side, this side, every side is same. And it's a completely carved unit. The entire side completely 360-degree, completely carved, and the same heavy European legs and the carving concept with matte finish, light walnut color as liked by the client. So you can keep it this way, you can keep it the other way. The setting is as per your choice, any ways you like. I can sit this side if I like, I can sit the other side, or I can sit this way. Everywhere I'm getting nice big space to sit on. 4x3 is a big size for a settee. The heavier the sofa set is, similarly you need a nice center table to go with the set. It's a 5 feet by 3 feet wide open top table and with carving everywhere. It's a completely carved unit, outside, inside the pillars, the chakri we have, the cross section here, a big flower design in the middle, the flower pot design. And once we have a glass on top of this, it's ready for use. Glasses, marbles, mirrors, granite, onyx, we do not provide as they are very fragile and it's very difficult to send them in transport. And these things can be easily procured most of the places. So it's better not to take the risk. This is a side table along with the unit. It's a 30 inches square, 2.5 feet square table. Nice big heavy table for the side. Again, it would require a glass on top and the same design as the center table. Completely carved from inside, outside, leg work, the middle area. everywhere. So the entire set for this one is a 4-seater, a 3-seater, 2 chairs, 2 open back settees, 2 side tables, and a big center table. This is the entire set. Now, if we talk about the sizes, the area you require, you need a big hall, big room for this one. Let's say this is 9 feet. You require around 4 feet on each side. So on this wall, you need at least 18 feet of area. And similarly here, with the open back settees, you require another 15 to 18 feet of area. So you need around 20 by 18 feet of area to put this kind of set. So when you get your drawing from the architect, you can check in your drawing in the blueprint, and accordingly you can decide what all to go for and how to go for. The design, the work, everything is quite visible here. Another interesting thing about this set, the last point I like to mention here, this 4-seater is going towards the wall. As you can see here, the back area is not visible. Though it's very beautifully designed from the back as well, the same fabric is covered at the back. The entire back is very nicely done with the fabric. But as this is going towards the wall, if you see here, this area is plain. This doesn't have a carving. So when you have something that's going towards the wall, we provide the unit with front carving only. It has got carving till this area, till the last leg, it is carved, and the back side is plain. However, in the chairs are dual carved. Here if you see, it has got similar carving to the top Taj here also. So it's dual carved from the back as well. And if this is going towards an open area, it looks very nice to have a dual carving unit. So front carving, back carving, on the sides you have a carving, a 360-degree unit. So if you keep it in open like this, it will be visible from all the sides. So heavier sets are like this. You have something like a heavy set, let it look very royal. And I can assure you, you try and check any catalog set, any original set, any original video, compare this with this one. Your India, your country, your people, your artisans, the people that belong to our country are nowhere less from any other country. They are making masterpieces. This is the artisan work. No machine or a CNC or robotics. And something like this is an exclusive art. We appreciate it. We really love our artisans because this is something not that easy. It requires a lot of skill, lot of experience, and years of hard work. And something like this requires appreciation. Your appreciation to the artisans, your appreciation to the work, and your appreciation to your country, your fellow people who are making these kind of units and sending out globally. We are exporting to a lot of countries the art of India, the art of Aarsun, the art of our artisans, and we are getting a lot of appreciation, and we are really thankful for that. If you like something like this, please contact us. We'll be happy to make the set for you as per your requirement, as per the customization required, the fabric, the color choice, everything as per your choice, and deliver to your place anywhere in India, out of India. We'll be happy to do it. Your comments, your feedback, your suggestions are most welcome. For more designs, you can visit our website, arsunwoods.com. There are a number of original designs there. For prices, you can contact us. Hope you like this. Thank you so much.